The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Krasnyy Liman direction, operational tactical aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center Group of Forces engaged the units of the Armed Forces of Ukraine close to Nevskoye, Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic, Yampolovka and Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In this direction, the enemy has suffered losses of over 100 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer during the day. Air defense systems have intercepted 15 HIMARS, Smerch and Uragan projectiles during the day. Moreover, 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down near Novaya Tarasovka in Kharkov region, Rubezhnoye, Chervona Popovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Staromayorskoye, Vladimirovka, Yegorovka and Valerianovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 402 airplanes, 221 helicopters, 3,457 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,330 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,066 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,381 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,996 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 880 servicemen in a single day. In total, Kremlin lost 164,200 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,511 tanks, 6830 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. Ukraine also published footage of border guards' mortars crews destroyed an enemy assault group from Russian. And they also demilitarized the advanced detachment of the Wagner infantry fighting unit with a well-aimed shot at an ammunition cache.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.